In this video, we will be exploring our oral vocabulary words for Unit 6, Week 3. Our first vocabulary word this week is cycle. Say it with me. Cycle. A cycle is a series of events that repeats in the same order. A butterfly begins its life cycle as a caterpillar. What are some of the stages in the life cycle of a plant? Our next vocabulary word this week is predict. Say it with me. Predict. When you predict, you use clues to guess what will happen in the future. When Ken reads a story, he predicts what will happen next. What do you predict will happen later today? Our next vocabulary word is creative. Say it with me. Creative. When you are creative, you use your imagination to make something new and different. Greg is very creative. He paints and writes stories. How are you creative? Our next vocabulary word is frigid. Say it with me. Frigid. Frigid means very, very cold. We don't swim in the river in the winter because the water is frigid. What do we wear when the weather is frigid? And our last vocabulary word for this week is scorching. Scorching means very, very hot. The puddle dried up under the scorching sun. What do we wear when the weather is scorching? Are frigid and scorching opposites? Those were our vocabulary words for Unit 6, Week 3.